All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. It's Bome time. Book of Meme. Absolutely killing it today. I know a lot of people are excited. People want to know what's happening. You guys absolutely killed it on the last video. It's absolutely overwhelming as to how much support I've been receiving. So, if you want to see these more often, so basically I've made up my mind. I think Book of Meme every other day for the updates. If you guys agree with that, do let me know in the comments down below. If you still want me to try my best to give you guys daily updates, I need you guys to absolutely kill it with the support on this video. But without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening. So I'm sure everyone knows at this point that the entire market has gone up today, and that is obviously really nice to see. If you do watch my videos on a day-to-day basis, some things that we discussed yesterday did end up happening, which is obviously a great thing to see. Obviously, we don't see Book of Meme in the top 100 coins as of yet, so we're going to switch it to the top 200, and you should see Book of Meme popping up here somewhere. Am I blind or am I not seeing it? Anyway, oh yeah, there it is. Up 3% on the daily time frame. I cannot believe RSR is making a huge comeback. If you're the OG, you guys know about RSR. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with Bome. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, I want to focus very closely on the rank, 109. So we were very, very close just a few days back, I think 2 days back, for Book of Meme to re-enter back into the top 100. But you are seeing that battle between so many other coins out there that are also trying to get back into the top 100. But I'm very optimistic that Book of Meme's next leg up, especially after it breaks that key resistance, it will re-enter very fast. So I'm not too worried about the top 100. But let's take a look at the price, because that's obviously what everyone is here for. So if we're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at 1.2 cents. Already mentioned to you guys that it's up 2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, and also 1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at 822.8 billion. Oopsies, not billion, million. I wish. Oh, I'm sure everyone wishes that it was at 822 billion. Let that sink in, how big that deal really is. But anyhow, let's stop dreaming on that. $822.8 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 211.9 million. Not bad, not bad at all. But let's continue to see what's happening with Bome. So before I pull out the charts, of course, we want to look at Dark Farms. If you don't know who Dark Farms is, this is an NFT, a very well-respected person in the NFT space, and he or she are the person that is behind the existence of Bome. And, a very unique way of launching Bome. They started a complete meta, if you remember, the pre-sale, which absolutely took off, and they started that, and a very memeable type of meme. And at the end of the day, you're looking at a meme, right? And meme coins, at the end of the day, there's no utility that they bring, but what Dark Farms is trying to do is trying to bring utility, and NFTs, involving NFTs into it, which is very, very unique. And on top of that, if you look at the tweets by Dark Farms, I'm really, really liking this. The way, the humor, again, that's what all meme is all about. And of course, the Solana connection. What I mean by that is the Solana ecosystem connection. So if you're looking at the overall markets right now, you're really seeing Bome picking up traction. So that's obviously nice to see, up 2.2%. And in terms of rankings, as I've said, it's 4, 5, 6, 7th in terms of market cap. So that's really nice to see. And I think Book of Meme has established itself in terms of its holder count. Obviously, Binance holding such a huge chunk of it. I think it has established itself as one of the top contenders to battle it out to be one of the top Solana-based meme coins. There's a few now. There's a few. If you asked me this like a few months ago, maybe like 6 months ago, I thought it would be like maybe 1 or 2 at most, but I did expect it. I predicted it. Go watch any of my videos around that. I predicted, when no one was paying attention to the Solana ecosystem, I predicted we're going to see a huge boom in the meme coin market as well as the NFT market space. And look where we are at right now. Insane stuff, definitely. But great stuff we're seeing here with Bome in terms of its rank compared to its competitors. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So of course, dominance 55.75%. BTC having an absolutely amazing day. Going into the weekend with this momentum is what you want to be seeing. So if you did watch my Solana update yesterday, I kind of discussed that, and this is lovely to see. We're coming at that key resistance and seeing a little bit of a choppiness around there as to be expected, but amazing stuff from Bitcoin, guys. This is all you want to see when it comes to BTC, especially after having that huge bloodbath. And if this is able to clear up, guys, 70K Bitcoin, here we come. But let's take a look at Bome. Whew. A lot of talking. I know, I see these comments coming in, Crypto ZX, you talk a lot, you're really passionate and all this and that. And honestly speaking, that's what passion does to you, right? If you're really passionate about something, you enjoy what you're doing, you can talk all day long. And that's me when it comes to crypto. But anyhow, enough with that. You're looking at this key resistance. We spoke about this key resistance. I'm sure everyone knows about this now. So what happened was, just 2 days back in our last update, we did end up retesting that. We ended up retesting it, and we actually went above that key resistance for a very little time. But you guys can see this for yourself, a clear rejection. A clear rejection. You're starting to see the price picking up that traction again. And as we retest this resistance more and more, I think, we're going to bound to break out. And of course, if Bitcoin is able to see a great next few days, obviously we are coming in a weekend. On the weekends, there's usually more manipulation because the CME futures are being closed. But, I could see something really good happening with Bome going back above $1 billion market cap really fast if it's able to actually turn this resistance into support. Next target I'm looking at, honestly speaking, is around the 1.5 cents mark, which is a 23.8% move. And of course, if that is able to clear up, we could be making our way up to that 2 cents mark really fast. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at Bome. I'm liking this, overall consolidation. And let's not forget, to all the haters that are completely forgetting the fact that this did go up down to 0.0072 just about a month back, and if you picked it up around that point, you're up 80%. 80%. Yep, let me repeat that again, 80%. So, we need to have patience, guys. We need to understand the importance of diversification. This is really, really important at the end of the day. This is a meme coin, and to be quite frank with you, it's doing great right now. No one denies that, and I'm even saying, it's doing absolutely amazing right now. But do I see a future for Bome in the long haul in terms of like years to come? If they're able to make their way as one of the top, I would say top one or maybe top two Solana based meme coins, possibly. Because I think, obviously, you have those Ethereum ones like Shiba Inu and Doge that are still here. And then we're going to see some of the ones for Sol as well. So could that be Bonk? Could that be Dog with Hat? Could that be Bome? Could that be one of these Popcat or some of these other ones? Possibly. But that is where time comes into play. So what you want to be doing is, don't think too long term about meme coins. Think short horizon, this bull market alone. And please lock in those profits. Don't listen to these comments down below saying, oh, this is going to make you a multi-millionaire in the next 5 years, this and that. Don't listen to these trolls. I'm telling you, I made so many mistakes over the year. I've been in the space for 8 years. When you understand the importance of locking in profits, and once you, become an expert at that, and don't let your emotions get to you, you'll win in this market. There's a higher chance of you winning that way rather than just being emotionally attached to the coins that you're in. That's just that's not what you want to be doing. At the end of the day, ask yourself, what are you here for? To make money, right? And that's how you want to be going. But at the end of the day, I try helping my viewers because you guys are like family to me, and you guys do what works for you. At the end of the day, I'll try my best to help out my viewers. But that's been it for today. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.